This video explains Classe365 Parent Portal mobile app. The first thing you need to do is download Classe365 mobile app from either Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Once you download it and open the app, you should be able to search for your institution and then log in with your parent login details. These details will be shared by the administrators of your education institution. Once you have logged into the portal, you should be in the Parent Portal dashboard, which looks like this. Here you can see the latest payment transactions and the payments due and what is paid. You can see the latest notifications, both activities and notice boards as well. You should be able to see the list of all your kids if you have more than one kid in the school. And when you go to their profile, you should see all the summary of the information that's been stored. You can see the enrollment information, all the courses that they have been enrolled in. You'll be able to see the attendance data. What are the days they've been absent, present, tardy, and other information. You will also be able to see from the student portal their grade book as well, including the report card. From there, you can also go into your invoices information, the invoices that is paid, not paid, all that data will be shared here. And also other information like health records as well. You should also be able to edit the data of your child. And then once you edit, you will be able to make any changes like if the address is changed, if the phone numbers have changed. Then you have the option to look at events and class schedules. These are calendar events like parents teachers meeting and all that data that's shared here. And you'll also be able to see the schedules of each of your kids of every day or every subject the institutions have set up. Other information like notice board or bulletin board information can be seen here. And if you go to settings, you'll be able to see the ID card details. This is the digital ID card where you can see the QR code and barcode information there. You can also see the social learning. These are social discussions that's been happening on individual subjects. And other things in the notifications section, which includes editing student profile and other things. And that's all about it, how you can manage Parent Portal on Classe365 mobile app.